In this video, we are going to discuss about solving quadratic equation using the factorization method. 1. Solve x squared minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. So step 1, find two numbers that multiple to 6 or constant term and add to minus 5 or coefficients of x. So the two numbers are minus 3 and minus 2. Then what we have to do is insert these two numbers in place of minus 5x as a coefficient of x. So when we insert it become x squared minus 3x minus 2x plus 6 is equal to 0. Then what we have to do is we group these two and we take common. The common for these two is x. What left? X minus 3. And the common for these two is minus 2. So what left? X minus 3. And again, when we take out x minus 3 as a common, what left here? X, here minus 2. So it becomes x minus 3 times x minus 2 is equal to 0. Then step 3, solve. A times b is equals to 0 implies either a is equal to 0 or b is equals to 0. So by using this principle, x minus 3 is equal to 0 or x minus 2 is equal to 0. And when we solve for x, we get x is equal to 3 or x is equal to 2. 2. Solve 2x squared minus 7x plus 3 is equal to 0. Step 1, multiply 2 by 3, we get 6. Find two numbers that multiple is 6, and when we add, that gives minus 7. So the two numbers are minus 6 and minus 1. Then insert these two numbers in place of minus 7x. When we write, we get 2x squared minus 6x minus x plus 3 is equals to 0. Then group these two and take out the common. And the common for these two are 2x. What left? X minus 3. And the common for this one is minus 1. What left? X minus 3. If we take out x minus 3 as a common, what left here? 2x. What left here? Minus 1. Now already this is factorized. Step 3, solve. This product is equal to 0 implies 2x minus 1 is equal to 0 or x minus 3 is equal to 0. And solve for x, we get the values of x for this one is 1 over 2, and for this one we get x is equal to 3. So the solution sets are 1 over 2 and 3. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Gazahay. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe to get more video and hit the bell icon to get all notifications. Please watch full video. Let's continue. 3. Solve x squared plus 6x plus 9 is equals to 0. Step 1. Find two numbers that multiple of 9 and add 6. The numbers are 3 and 3. So when we insert in place of 6x, this 3 and 3. So we get x squared plus 3x plus 3x plus 9. And then group these two and take out the common factors. The common factor for these two are x. What left here? X. What left here? 3. And the common factor for these two is 3. So what left here? X. What left here? 3. And when we take out x plus 3 as a common, what left here? X. What left here? 3. Now already we have factorized. Then step 3, when we solve, x plus 3 is equal to 0 or x plus 3 is equal to 0. This means x is equal to minus 3 is a double root or a double solution. 4. Solve 3x squared minus 5x minus 2 is equal to 0. Step 1. Multiply 3 by minus 2. We get minus 6. Then find the two numbers that multiple to minus 6 and add to minus 5. The numbers are minus 6 and 1. And step 3, factorize. So to factorize, what we have to do is insert minus 6 and 1 as a coefficient of x in place of minus 5x. Then when we write, we get 3x squared minus 6x plus x minus 2 is equal to 0. Then group these two and take out the common factor. The common factor for this is 3x. And what left here? X. What left here? 2. And the common for these two is 1. If we take x minus 2 as a common, what left here? 3x. And what left here? 1. So it becomes 3x plus 1 times x minus 2. And step 3, when we solve, 3x plus 1 is equal to 0 or x minus 2 is equal to 0. And from this one, when we solve for x, we get the values of x is equal to minus 1 over 3, or for this one, we get x is equal to 2. So the solution set is minus 1 over 3 and 2. 5. solve 4x squared minus 9 is equal to 0. Step 1. Recognize as a difference of squares. When we rewrite 4x squared, we can write as 2x squared, and 9 is 3 squared. By using this rule, a squared minus b squared is equal to a minus b times a plus b. Let a is 2x and b is 3. Then this become 2x minus 3 times 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. And step 3, solve. So when we solve, 2x minus 3 is equal to 0, or 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. And for this one, when we solve for x, the values of x is 3 over 2. And for this one, x is equal to minus 3 over 2. So the solution set are 3 over 2 and minus 3 over 2. 6. Solve x squared plus 8x minus 20 is equal to 0. Step 1. Find the two numbers that multiple to minus 20, and when we add, that gives 8. The numbers are 10 and minus 2. Then insert these two numbers as a coefficients of x in place of 8x. So when we write by replacing 8x by these two numbers, we get x squared plus 10x minus 2x minus 20 is equal to 0. Then group these two numbers and take out the common factors. The common factor for these two is x. So what left here? X. And what left here? 10. And the common for these two numbers are minus 2. And when we take out minus 2, what left here? X. What left here? 10. Again, when we take out x plus 10 as a common, what left here? X. And here, minus 2. So when we solve, x plus 10 is equal to 0, or x minus 2 is equal to 0. And here for the values of x is equal to minus 10, and when we solve for x, we get x is equal to 2. Therefore, the solution set is minus 10 and 2. 7. Solve 5x squared plus 13x plus 6 is equal to 0. Step 1. Multiply 5 by 6, we get 30. Find two numbers that multiple to 30 and add to 13. The two numbers are 10 and 3. So to factorize, what we have to do is insert these two numbers in place of 13x. And when we rewrite, replacing 13x, we get 5x squared plus 10x plus 3x plus 6 is equal to 0. Then group these two numbers. Take out a common factor. The common factor for these two is 5x. And what left here? X. What left here? 2. And the common for these two numbers is 3. And what left here? X. What left here? 2. When we take out x plus 2 as a common, what left here? 5x. And here 3, so it becomes 5x plus 3 times x plus 2. Step 3, solve. So when we solve, 5x plus 3 is equal to 0, or x plus 2 is equal to 0. And the values of x for this one is minus 3 over 5, and for this one is x is equal to minus 2. Therefore, the solution sets are minus 3 over 5 and minus 2. 8. Solve 6x squared minus 11x plus 4 is equal to 0. Multiply 6 by 4. You get 24. Find two numbers that multiple 24, and when we add, that gives minus 11, or a coefficient of x. So the two numbers are minus 8 and minus 3. So to factorize, what we have to do is insert these two numbers in place of minus 11x. So when we rewrite this quadratic equation by replacing minus 11x using these two numbers, we get 6x squared minus 8x minus 3x plus 4 is equal to 0. Then group these two numbers and take out a common factors. When we take common factor for these two, we get 2x. What left here? 3x. And what left here? 4. The common factor for this one is minus 1, and what left here? 3x, positive 3x. And what left here? It becomes minus 4. And when we take out 3x minus 4 as a common, what left here? 2x. And what left here? Minus 1. So this becomes 2x minus 1 times 3x minus 4 is equal to 0. We have factorized. When we solve, 2x minus 1 is equal to 0, or 3x minus 4 is equal to 0. For this one, the values of x is equal to 1 over 2. And for this one, the values of x is equal to 4 over 3. Therefore, the solution sets are 1 over 2 and 4/3. This is all about solving quadratic equation by factorization method. If there is any doubt, question, comment, don't hesitate to leave under comment section. If you enjoyed this video, I hope you get some value from it. Please hit the like, share, subscribe and bell button to get all notifications. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you with another video.